एक बंदा आज जो वीडियो पूरा खोल दिया ऐसे गेड़ा रहता लाना पड़ता मेरे खाली ऊपर नहीं जाना
We're not affiliated.
We came here because we believe in the peaceful nation. We are struggling for freedom for peacefully. Our women has been raped in Indian occupied Kashmir. Our leaders are in prison, and our father of nations remains are still in the graveyard since last 41 years. And Jammu Kashmir dispute is as old as the UNO. In 1947, the subcontinent was divided, and UNO was formed in 1945. And in 1948, our Jammu Kashmir dispute is in UNO. And in this way, Kashmir issue is as old as the UNO, as the other nations. And after the formation of UNO, more than 150 nations got freedom. But we Kashmiri people are still slave, still divided under the Indian and Pakistani occupation, and some portion is in the Chinese occupations. On this occasion, we demand peacefully from the world that withdraw India and Pakistan army from Kashmir. And we are a human being, we want to live as a peaceful country, as a peaceful nation. But you are seeing here, they are saying that we are the democratic nation in the world, but that they are not getting this memorandum peacefully. Then what is the choice for us? Our women are under their custody. Our children became orphans. Our leaders are in the prisons. And both Indian and Pakistani governments and their elite class are exploiting our resources. And my youth, this youth and this youth are working here. And we are thankful for USA because it's a land of immigrants. It's a home for the Kashmiri peoples that they are struggling here, they are working here, and they are supporting their divided families. They purchase the health, they purchase the education. And in this way, we thankful for the US, for the American government to respect the USA Constitution. But they are not getting, and we want to.
Our role is just to make
yes,
sure
we know. But
protect your right to protest and protect their right
yes,
to
yes,
business.
we respect you.
So
if you will give this, you can give
we
them.
can't accept it, but you can attempt to deliver it. You can.
Okay.
We can't accept it on the
Okay.
behalf.
If they are not getting, we can place this memorial peacefully there with our flags. You are permitted.
You can't
peacefully.
No, you can't leave your flags or anything on the property.
Okay, but we can leave
private
it.
property.
You could leave the letter there.
We will leave the
Yeah,
letters.
we only use this flag,
Okay.
nothing else.
Nothing else. Oh, yeah.
You can try to deliver them a
Okay.
letter, but if they ask you to leave the property, you have to leave.
Okay, that's. No, we are peaceful. We are educated people.
guys.
We are peaceful.
Hey,
people.
hey, we're here to
Thank
support
you.
your guys'
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate it, yes, sir.
They have entrance on that side.
नहीं वो नहीं है
There's somebody. They're in.
Other lawyers.
At the light, I see tasveer in Shura
They are not receiving our peaceful memorandum. That is why we paste this memorandum here on the face of their mouth. And this is the slap on their diplomacy with a decent and civilized manner. And this is this memorandum will remind them that they have oppressed the nations. They are killing the human beings. And now we claim here that Modi is a fascist ruler and he is the Hitler for the subcontinent. And this freedom is a peace for the whole world. And also we will put this flag here. And this flag will remain.
No.
Okay.